In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out your Facebook password. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. This works both on PC and on smartphones. So ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you right now. Head over to your Facebook account, right? These are Facebook accounts, right? Click on this on your account, click on the settings and privacy, click on the settings. Wait for it to load up. Now this is our Facebook settings, right? This is the tab you would see once you click on the settings. So you're going to click on this personal details under the account center. Click on it. Once you have clicked on it, you wait for it to load up as well, right? So this our account center, right? This is where you'd see once I have clicked on what I showed you previously. Now under this tab you'd see the profile, connected experiences, password and security. You're going to see all this, right? The only thing that matters is clicking on this, right? Password and security. Click on it. Once I've clicked on it, you can see the saved login share, right? So this is how you can find out your Facebook password. So if for any reasons you want to come back and check your Facebook password for any reasons, this is where you're going to come back. You're going to click on this saved logins. Once you click on it, you're going to be displayed with your previously saved logins, right? So this video is basically for educational purpose only. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I really appreciate it. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.